Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to enter the internal marks for the students. For every internal, we can enter the marks into our ERP system. For this, you have to just log into our TMV OnEdu platform with your username and password. When you log in, you will come to this home page. In the home page, you can see a tab for exam. In this exam tab, we have another tab for enter sessional marks. So to enter the internal marks, you have to come to this enter sessional marks. So go to exam, then go to evaluation. In that, you click on enter sessional marks. When you click this enter sessional marks, you'll be redirected to a page to upload your sessional marks. So here you have to select the section for which you want to enter the internal marks. Like I have to enter the first internal marks for this particular inorganic section. I'll select the section, then I'll select the paper that I am teaching. So here only those papers will be highlighted for which you are taking class, right? Other teachers' papers will not be reflected here. Only the class which is assigned to you will be only reflected in this particular uh, subject criteria, right? So I'll select the subject for which I want to enter the marks. Let's say analytical techniques one. Then I'll say enter type individual because we are entering individual internal marks. There is first internal if I say, right? So evaluation type you have to select at the first internal examination and click on the evaluation type. Here you will see the marks which is been maximum marks for this particular internals, right? So if it is a 20 marks exam, you will see here it has 20. If it is a 10 marks exam, you will see here it has 10. If it is 15, you will be seeing it as 15. Once this is done, you just click on enter. This will populate the list of students for whom the marks has to be entered. Now here for this first student, you can just enter the marks for obtained for that particular student. To go to the next student, just press tab. Once you press tab, automatically the cursor will move towards the next student's number, and you can just enter the marks slowly and fill the attendance for fill the internal marks for them, right? So just by pressing the tab you can go on entering the marks and come to enter the internal marks. Now if a particular student is absent, so for that student you have to just type a, either a capital A or small a, which anything is acceptable. So you just enter the as A or A for absent student, right? So once the marks is entered, right, you can just go and at the end you can just say save. By this the first internal marks will be assigned to that particular students. Now it will ask, are you sure you want to save the data? If you are sure that you have entered the internal marks correctly, you just say okay. This will save the internal marks for that particular subject for the first internal. If you want to see the marks, how what you have entered, you can just go to exam, go for view sessional marks, select the batch that you have entered the marks, and just say search. It will show the marks that you have entered, right? So I have entered for this particular paper. Now I have entered, so you can see the marks being entered for it, right? So this is how you can enter the internal marks for the students. Hope you have understood. Thank you.